Okay, y'all, so this is how my hair is looking. It's looking really dry. I just took my braids out, so my hair do need some TLC. So like I said, Curl Factory did send over this detangling set. Now it does says that it's suitable for type A through 4C hair types, and it also says for hair that needs professional detangling. So in this little kit, you do get the spray bottle, a detangling brush, and a detangling comb. I do like the fact that the colors are black. It do feel like a very sleek feel. I do feel like I have a very good grip on the brush. So I did go ahead and just put some plain water in this water bottle. I'm going to use the detangling brush on the right side, and I'm going to use the detangling comb on the left side. Now, I normally do not use detangling combs. Once I found out about the detangling brush, I have always stick to the detangling brush. So I'm going to go ahead and section my hair, and we're going to jump right into it. Now, y'all, when I use this Tresemme conditioner, the knots melt away, and it's so easy for me to detangle my hair. I don't even know if they even make this conditioner anymore, because I can never find it in Target now. Okay. I do feel like I need to hold down the level in order to get that continuous spray. This is my first time with one of these spray bottles, so I'm not too sure if I'm supposed to let it go and it could keep continuing. So you guys let me know in the comment section if you have used this before, if that's how it's supposed to be. Y'all, I'm not too sure. Like I said, it is my first time. So due to the fact that I have very low porosity hair, I am going to take a good amount. And just work it into my strands. I don't know if this part right here is my widow's peak. I don't know if this part right here is like a little part right here in the front. I don't know if this is my widow's peak or I actually experienced breakage, but I want to say this little piece right here did break off, because look at how thin it's just that length. So I want to say I did have some breakage right here in the front. So now I'm going to take the comb, and I'm going to start from the ends of my hair and just work my way up. So far, the comb is detangling my hair with no problem. I'm not getting any snags. It's just gliding my hair. It's just gliding through my hair with no problem. I feel like with the comb, I can get closer to my roots. So that is a plus for me. So this is how much hair came out of the comb. Okay guys, so I finished pretty much detangling the front section of my hair. Even though this is a detangling comb, I don't really care too much to put combs in my hair. So after a while, I did started to finger detangle my hair, but it did get the job done. But if you are a detangling comb lover, you would definitely like this comb. I really don't care too much for using combs in my hair. I really don't use combs in my hair at all. The only time I use combs is to part my hair, but as far as detangling, I don't use combs. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on this section, and I'll be back. So I'm starting to use the detangling brush. Now when I do use the detangling brush, this is how I start with the ends of my hair, like this. And then I slowly turn to the side and use the brush in the correct position. So I do feel like the brush is doing a really good job detangling my hair. My fingers is going through my hair with no problem, and it's going through my scalp really well, which I'm surprising because my last detangle brush, I'm not able to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and section this top section of the hair, and I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on the brush. So this is all the amount of hair that I did get out of the brush. Like I said, I do like the brush better. Like I said, I am not a big fan of combs. Now the detangling comb is not something that I would grab first, but the detangling brush is really good. Even though my hands is slippery and have conditioner on it, I still have a good grip on the brush, which that's something that I look for, because other detangling tools, it don't really have a good grip and it will drop out of your hand. So overall, I do think these products are really good. If you guys want to purchase this set, you can definitely click the link down below. I'm not getting no type of commission if you guys click the link in the description box. I'm just doing this review so you guys will have a very cheaper alternative to other detangling tools. Now, this trio set do retail under $20. So for someone who is on the budget, I feel like that is definitely a steal. And you guys know this channel is budget friendly. I'm going to finish detangling the back of my hair. I am going to let this sit in my hair for about 20 minutes. And then I get back on camera and I will start the actual review for the Mayel products.